Let me start with something simple but kind of surprising. The way you sleep tonight can shape how you feel tomorrow morning, and honestly, for years to come. I'm not talking about buying a $300 pillow or doing some wild breathing ritual. I mean the small decisions. The angle of your pillow, the side you choose, how much you curl up. Things you barely think about but that have a real impact on pain, breathing, energy, and even your heart and brain as you get older. And I promise, once you understand what's actually happening inside your body when you sleep a certain way, you'll never look at your favorite position the same way again. So let's talk clearly. Like two friends figuring this out together. No scare tactics, no miracle claims, just practical truths older adults deserve to know. Let's start with the troublemakers. The sleep positions that feel comfortable in the moment but slowly cause problems the older we get. The first one is stomach sleeping. And look, I know a lot of people swear this is the only way they can fall asleep. It feels cozy, it feels grounding. But here's the thing. It puts your neck in a twisted position for hours. Imagine keeping your head turned to one side for an entire movie. You'd feel stiff afterward. Now imagine doing that every single night for decades. That constant twist puts pressure on the nerves in your neck, and that's one of the sneaky reasons so many people wake up with tingling in the arms or hands, or a headache they can't explain. On top of that, when you lie face down, your chest can't fully expand. As we age, we naturally lose a bit of lung elasticity, and this position makes breathing even shallower. It doesn't mean stomach sleeping is deadly. It just means the older you get, the more your body complains about it. If this is your favorite position, don't panic. A gentle way to start shifting out of it is to sleep with a very thin pillow or no pillow under your head and put a soft pillow under your hips. That reduces the pressure on your lower back. Then, anytime you roll over naturally during the night, guide yourself onto your side. It's a slow transition, not a cold turkey change. The second troublemaker is the super tight fetal curl. Knees pulled all the way into your chest, chin tucked down like you're trying to protect yourself from cold weather. It's comforting, it's instinctive, but when the body curls that much, the diaphragm doesn't have room to move. And if the diaphragm can't move well, your breathing gets shallow. Over time, that leads to waking up tired even when you slept 8 hours. It can also reinforce that hunched forward posture a lot of older adults are trying hard to avoid. If you like curling up, loosen it. Keep a pillow between your knees, let your spine lengthen just a little, and give your chest space. The third problematic position is lying flat on your back like a board, the soldier position. This one is tricky because a lot of people were told it's the healthiest way to sleep. But for people over 60, it often causes more harm than good. When you lie flat, gravity pulls the soft tissue in your throat backward, making the airway smaller. That means louder snoring, more breathing interruptions, and lower sleep quality. And if you're someone who has undiagnosed or mild sleep apnea, this position can make it dramatically worse. Not to mention the reflux issues, lying completely flat makes it easier for stomach acid to creep up the throat, which is why many older adults wake up coughing, with a sour taste, or with chronic throat irritation. Another one people don't think about is sleeping in a recliner every night. Now, recliners can feel amazing, especially if you have back pain or breathing problems. They're great for naps, but sleeping in one long term isn't ideal. Your body tends to stay in lighter stages of sleep, you can get leg swelling from reduced circulation, and in some cases, it increases clot risks. Again, not an emergency, but not great for long-term, nightly rest. Alright, enough about the troublemakers. Let's shift to the good stuff. The sleep positions that actually help older bodies recover, breathe better, prevent pain, and wake up feeling stronger instead of stiffer. The first position I recommend most often is simple. Side sleeping with a pillow between your knees. I call this the golden setup for seniors. Here's why it works so well. When you add that knee pillow, your hips stay aligned instead of twisting downward. That means your lower back stays neutral, your pelvis doesn't rotate, and your spine isn't fighting all night. If you wake up with achy hips, sore knees, or lower back pain, this one little change can be a game changer. And side sleeping also helps keep the airway more open, which reduces snoring and nighttime breathing issues for a lot of people. If you have reflux, sleeping on your left side can help even more. But honestly, sleep on whichever side feels best. Comfort equals consistency, and consistency is where improvements happen. The second helpful position is something I call the gentle incline. Think of your upper body raised about 20 to 30 degrees. Just a small lift, not sitting up. You can do this with a wedge pillow, an adjustable bed, or a few firm pillows arranged under your upper back. This simple incline uses gravity to keep stomach acid from rising and helps stop snoring by preventing the airway from collapsing. People with reflux, chronic coughing, or mild sleep apnea often feel the difference after just one night. Add a small pillow under your knees to reduce pressure on your lower back, and you've got a seriously comfortable setup. The third good position is a modified back sleep, but only when the neck and knees are properly supported. Think of lying on your back with a supportive neck pillow that keeps your head aligned, your arms relaxed, and a small pillow under your knees. This takes pressure off the lower spine and opens the chest. It's amazing for people who wake up with shoulder pain from side sleeping, or who get tension headaches. But if you snore loudly or have sleep apnea, this might not be your best choice. Always listen to your body. My personal favorite, especially for seniors with multiple issues like reflux, shoulder pain, or snoring, is the 45-degree side recline. Imagine this. Your upper body is slightly elevated like the gentle incline we talked about, but you're lying more on your side than your back. A pillow between the knees, one supporting your upper arm, and a supportive neck pillow keeps everything aligned. This position gives you the airway benefits of elevation, the spine benefits of side sleeping, and the comfort of shoulder pressure being reduced. It's incredibly gentle and often the easiest to maintain all night. Now, let's talk about what you can actually do tonight without buying a ton of stuff. Start with 3 items: a supportive neck pillow, a knee pillow, and either a wedge pillow or 2 firm pillows you already own. With just those, you can explore side sleeping, elevated back sleeping, and the 45-degree hybrid. If you're a lifelong stomach sleeper, here's a realistic plan. Don't force yourself to change in one night. Just adjust the head pillow first. The next week, introduce a pillow under your pelvis. The week after that, start guiding yourself to your side when you naturally wake up during the night. Slow changes stick better than all-or-nothing attempts. Now, here's something important. Improving sleep position won't magically fix every health issue. It won't cure memory problems or erase chronic conditions, but it absolutely can reduce nighttime breathing issues, lessen reflux, improve spinal alignment, and protect your heart and brain by helping you sleep more deeply with fewer interruptions. Think of sleep posture as one tool in a toolbox. Useful, simple, and worth getting right. Let me give you some real-life examples of how small changes actually help. I worked with a man in his early 70s who woke up every morning feeling like he slept on a pile of rocks. His solution ended up being ridiculously simple: a knee pillow. Just that. Within a week, he said his lower back stiffness dramatically improved. Another woman I worked with struggled for years with nighttime acid reflux. A 30-degree upper body incline changed her nights completely. Fewer episodes of burning, fewer coughs, and deeper sleep. And then, there's the gentleman who used to wake up gasping because he slept flat on his back. Shifting to a 45-degree side incline reduced those episodes dramatically. Here's something else worth mentioning. If you snore loudly, wake up choking, breathe through your mouth all night, or feel exhausted during the day even though you slept 8 hours, don't brush it off. Those are classic signs of sleep apnea. And getting checked can be one of the most important decisions for your long-term health. Sleep apnea puts enormous stress on the heart and brain, and treating it can improve blood pressure, memory, energy, and even mood. Changing sleep position helps, but if symptoms continue, getting evaluated is essential. Before I wrap up, here's a simple checklist you can use tonight. Pick your priority issue: reflux, snoring, back pain, shoulder pain, or overall comfort. Choose the right position. Left side for reflux, side sleep with knee pillow for back pain, elevated back for snoring, or a 45-degree side recline if you've got a mix of problems. Set up your pillows ahead of time so you're not wrestling with them in the dark. Try the new position for at least 1 week before judging it. Write down a few notes each morning: how you slept, how you feel, whether pain was better or worse. And if anything feels off, painful or worse, adjust the setup or talk to a professional. If this helped you rethink how you sleep, go ahead and hit subscribe. I share practical, research-friendly advice every week. No hype, no scare tactics, just real guidance for staying strong, independent, and healthy as you age. And drop a comment telling me which position you're going to try tonight: the knee pillow, the incline, or maybe the hybrid. You'd be surprised how much your experience might help someone else in this community. Sleep isn't just rest. For people over 60, sleep is body repair. And when you support your spine, open your airway, and use gravity in your favor, your body actually gets the chance to do that repair work the way it's meant to. Try one change tonight. Give your body a week. You might wake up feeling like you've turned back the clock a little. And honestly, you deserve that.